Hey you guys, it's Mariah and we are back this time on the north side of town. We have a beautiful home behind me. As you can tell, it is a 2-story. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. There's solar on the roof. This neighborhood is absolutely amazing. So I'm excited for you guys to go inside, check it out. Let's go.
That was awesome. That was good.
No matter what we go through, I'm always thinking about you. Thinking about you. I'm always thinking about you.